Hey everyone, Jamie Oliver here. Today we're diving into something that's not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health and weight loss journey. Want to feel amazing and shed those extra pounds? Well, you're in the right place. Vegan meal prep is the answer. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're eating nutritious, balanced meals every day. It's all about taking control of your health and your waistline. By planning ahead, you can avoid those last-minute unhealthy choices. We're talking delicious, plant-based meals, ready to go when you are. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing a variety of colorful, nutrient-packed dishes just waiting for you. No more excuses, no more unhealthy choices on the fly. With vegan meal prep, you have everything you need at your fingertips. Get ready to feel energized and lighter. The benefits of a plant-based diet are endless, from increased energy levels to better digestion. This isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that nourish your body. You'll be amazed at how satisfying and tasty vegan meals can be. Vegan meal prep takes the guesswork out of eating healthy. By planning your meals, you can ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. It's convenient, budget-friendly, and will help you reach your weight loss goals faster. Plus, it's a great way to save time during the week. Let's get cooking and make this journey enjoyable and delicious. We're using simple, wholesome ingredients packed with nutrients and flavor. These ingredients are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile, making your meal prep a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting out, these superstar ingredients will elevate your dishes to the next level. Quinoa, a complete protein source, will keep you full and satisfied. It's a fantastic base for salads, bowls, and even breakfast dishes. Rich in fiber, it aids digestion and keeps your energy levels stable throughout the day. Plus, it's gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Think of it as your energy booster. Mix it with your favorite veggies, beans, or even fruits for a delightful twist. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delicious. Rainbow veggies bring a burst of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the party. Each color represents different nutrients, so the more colors you include, the better. Bell peppers, carrots, broccoli, and leafy greens are just a few examples of the vibrant veggies you can incorporate. They'll boost your immune system and help you glow from within. Don't forget healthy fats. These veggies are not only nutritious, but also add a beautiful array of colors to your plate, making your meals visually appealing and more enjoyable to eat. Avocado and nuts provide essential fatty acids for a healthy heart and glowing skin. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart, while nuts like almonds and walnuts offer a crunchy texture and a dose of omega-3 fatty acids. They'll keep you feeling satisfied and prevent those pesky cravings. Adding these to your meals ensures you get a balanced diet that supports overall well-being. Plus, they add a creamy and crunchy element to your dishes, making them more satisfying. Finally, herbs and spices are our secret weapons for maximum flavor. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and parsley not only enhance the taste, but also add a burst of freshness. Spices like turmeric, cumin, and paprika can transform a simple dish into a culinary masterpiece. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. With these superstar ingredients, your vegan meal prep will be anything but boring. Enjoy the journey of creating delicious, nutritious, and visually stunning meals that will keep you energized and satisfied. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help grow our community. This channel, created by Said Mustafa, a passionate public health professional and forward thinker, is here to bring you meaningful content that empowers a healthier, happier life. Stay in the loop. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Let's get down to business with this week's star recipe. Rainbow veggie quinoa bowls with lemon tahini dressing. It's a symphony of colors and flavors that will make your taste buds sing. To start, you'll need 1 cup of quinoa, thoroughly rinsed to remove any bitterness. Next, measure out 1.5 cups of vegetable broth. This will add a rich depth of flavor to the quinoa. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which will be used to roast the vegetables and add a touch of healthy fat. Prepare 1 cup of fresh broccoli florets. Broccoli adds a nice crunch and is packed with nutrients. Chop up 1 cup of bell peppers. Use a mix of red, yellow, and orange for a vibrant, colorful dish. 1/2 cup of chopped red onion will add a bit of sharpness and a beautiful purple hue to the mix. Rinse and drain 1 can of chickpeas, about 15 ounces. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. This will enhance all the natural flavors of the vegetables. For the dressing, you'll need 1/4 cup of tahini. Tahini is a creamy paste made from sesame seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This will give the dressing a bright, tangy flavor. Include 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of water to help thin out the dressing. Mince 1 clove of garlic. Garlic adds a wonderful depth of flavor to the dressing. Season the dressing with salt and pepper to taste. This will balance out the flavors. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This ensures the vegetables will roast perfectly. 1. Cook the quinoa according to the package directions, but use vegetable broth instead of water for added flavor. 1. While the quinoa is cooking, toss the broccoli, bell peppers, and red onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Make sure everything is evenly coated. 1. Spread the vegetables out on a baking sheet in a single layer. Roast them in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. 1. Meanwhile, prepare the lemon tahini dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the tahini, lemon juice, olive oil, water, minced garlic, salt, and pepper until smooth and creamy. 1. To assemble the bowls, divide the cooked quinoa evenly among 4 meal prep containers. This makes it easy to grab a healthy meal on the go. 1. Top each container with the roasted vegetables and chickpeas. Drizzle the lemon tahini dressing over the top. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious meal ready to enjoy. Here's the beauty of this recipe. It's incredibly versatile. Feel free to get creative and customize your bowls with your favorite seasonal veggies. Try roasted sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, or zucchini for a delicious twist. Want to add more protein? Grilled tofu or tempeh make fantastic additions. You can even switch up the dressing. A simple balsamic vinaigrette or a creamy avocado dressing would be equally delicious. Meal prepping is all about working smarter, not harder. Here are a few tips to make your life easier. Cook once, eat all week. Double or triple the recipe to have enough for the entire week. Chop it like it's hot. Chop all your veggies at once to save time during the week. Embrace the power of leftovers. Use leftover cooked grains or roasted veggies in your meal prep bowls. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a meal prep master. Proper storage is key to keeping your meal prep fresh and delicious all week long. Invest in good quality airtight containers to prevent leaks and keep your food fresh. Glass containers are a great option as they are microwave and dishwasher safe. Store your prepped meals in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. If you're short on fridge space, you can also freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. Just be sure to thaw them overnight in the refrigerator before enjoying. Vegan meal prep is a game changer for weight loss. By planning your meals in advance, you're less likely to make unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Plus, plant-based meals are naturally lower in calories and fat, making it easier to achieve a calorie deficit. But it's not just about the numbers. Vegan meals are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and aids in digestion. This means less snacking and fewer cravings. Embracing a plant-based diet goes beyond weight loss. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being. You'll have more energy, improved digestion, and even clearer skin. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. Reducing your meat consumption is one of the most impactful things you can do for the planet. It's a win-win situation for both your health and the environment. Vegan meal prep is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a healthier, happier you. So, ditch the excuses, embrace the power of plants, and get ready to transform your life one delicious meal at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, delivering valuable content that empowers you to live a healthier, happier life.